Hey guys, it's me, Amber. Good morning. I have my tea and my Eeyore cup. If you've known me for long, you know this is one of my faves. I think we're live now, but I don't know if I've ever done it in this format, so I don't know if I'll be able to tell if anybody is on and watching, but you can always watch the replay too. Rusty is with me. He was just going all high alert to let me know that the mailman was on the porch. Oh my gosh. Hey Vanessa, how are you this morning? The reason I wanted to pop on this morning though, I have a little bit of time to myself. Eric and the girl have gone off to Comic-Con, so it is Nerd Central down there at the Convention Center in Seattle, so I had a little bit of time to tell you about something I'm really excited about. So, I know that you know, oh Judy, are you there? I see you, hi Judy, yay! What I'm really excited about that I had to share, I know I don't do Posh Lives a ton, but this was really, Ryan, what's up? Hi. I know I don't do a ton of lives, but I wanted to hop on because Posh is having an amazing deal right now. And if you've ever thought about joining, this is the time to do it. And there's a part of me where I'm like, it's Saturday morning and I'm wearing my pajamas. Let me show you my shirt. So this is my, I don't know if you can see it. This is, it's all weird and sparkly, but this is one of my Hamilton shirts, which I love. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm young, scrappy, and hungry. Of course I am. So anyway, the deal I wanted to tell you about right now is the starter kit for Posh is always $99, and it's always an amazing deal because you get a ton of product. So if you're a person with skin who knows people who have skin, it is definitely for you. Posh is all about pampering and just making you feel better, giving you a break during your day. And in the meantime, also making your skin feel better and soft and silky and smooth. So it's really a nice mental health break, but it's also great for your skin. So you can't go wrong with that. And anyone who has skin can benefit from it. So normally, Posh gives a great deal of product when you sign up, and it's always $99, and you get a ton of full-size product, and you get a ton of materials to help you start out if you want to make it a business. And if you don't, that's fine too. If you just want to be a kidnapper and grab all those freebies and take them for yourself, you can do that. Or grab them all and give them for gifts, whatever you want. And normally it's an awesome deal at $99. Well, here's the thing. The first 4,000 consultants who sign up in March, they are giving away a adorable, rolling, pink, Posh piece of luggage. Okay, I have to show you. Hold on. I busted out my old school, there it went away. Hold on, give me two shakes. I busted out my old school iPad, which I haven't used in like forever, just so I could show you this while I was live. But look at this. So it's, like I said, it's $99. And this is typically what you get. Hold on, let me zoom in on it for you so you can see it. So you get oh, hey Amy, hi, hope you're having a good Saturday. So typically you get like these 3 bags of, and it's full-size product. Like, so in this bag, these are not samples, these are full-size for you. You can see there's like a hand cream, a chunk bath bar, there is a face mask, there's a bath bomb, a skin stick, there's all this stuff for you, right? So you get that whole thing to pamper yourself. Christine, hi! And then you get a second bag of pampering supplies that you can either keep for yourself, give as gifts, give out as samples, you can sell them, however you want to deal with it. And then you get a whole big bag of samples to share with people. So this is just normally what you get for $99 every single day. So like I said, for the first 4,000 people who signed up in March, you also get this rolling piece of luggage. Like, is that not the cutest thing you have seen in your whole life? Okay, so Posh came out with this, like, I don't know, last spring or summer, maybe like a year ago, and I wanted one so bad, and Eric was like, get yourself one, just order it, and I'm like, no, I don't need it, it's okay, no big deal. Anyways, look what you can get if you sign up now. So let me show you the inside of it. It is so flipping cute. One second. Okay, look at this. Are you dying for this Posh luggage? Okay, outside. Look at the inside. It's polka dotted. Hello. And it has all of these little, I don't know if you can see them, but it's like all of these little dividers and baggies inside, so you can like store your Posh stuff and take it with you. Or you know what else I was thinking too? Like, let's say you didn't even want to be a consultant, because like, I don't know, whatever. Anyways, let's just say that you, oh, hold on, that's a Hamilton thing. It's telling me I didn't win tickets. Super sad. I'll try again. Anyway, by the way, if you're in Seattle or Denver, I hope that you're doing the lottery every day. You need to get up on it because Hamilton, and I know someone who won the lottery. Isn't that exciting? I don't know why she didn't take me. Whatever. Anyway, so this is, but you can kind of see inside of the rolling luggage. Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life? So when they were selling this in the portal, that's like our Posh employee store. When they were selling this in the portal, it was like $130 or $140 just for the piece of luggage. That's why I hesitated and never bought it, even though Eric was like, get it, get it. And I was like, no. Anyway, this is what you get. You get this in addition to all the other things. So let me show you, like right now, this year in 2018, your kit comes with these cute, let me try to get it on the screen without the reflections. You get the cute bags of product with the full-size products inside. When I bought them last year, the bags were black, but I can kind of give you the idea of size. So this is the Pampering for Me bag, and you will get a bath bomb inside. I've just packaged up 3 of them together because it's super cute, and sometimes I sell them at shows like that. But you get a bath bomb for you to try. You are gonna get the special Ritual face mask. This is consultants only. It's a really deep pore mask that will, it's kind of a fun first time experience. You just get in there and clean your pores out super deep, and it will tingle a little bit on your skin. And the best thing about it is it's pink because it's Posh, so it has to be. You're gonna get a chunk bar. This one is Gender Bender, which is an amazing bar. Hi, Alicia. I love this one. I use this. You can use it in the shower on your, like all over your body, but it's great for getting out paint. I use it on my makeup brushes to get the makeup out. It's awesome because it has charcoal in it. That's what makes it cool. I'm getting that reflection, but anyway, Gender Bender. And then you will get a hand cream. This is my current favorite, Posh Boss. It smells very floral and sweet. I love it. And you will get a skin stick. This is the Healer. If you've never tried the Healer, you should absolutely always have one with you. I carry one in my purse and share it frequently. I even use it, I use it on my lips, and I go all the way around just to keep them moisturized in the winter. But it's good for cuticles and small cuts and nicks on your hands, stuff like that. But Healer stick. Then you're gonna get a bag full of samples to share with everyone you know. These are just like a few, but you get tons and tons, and they send you all kinds of different ones. There's hand creams, there's face masks, there's body washes, there's face washes, there's scrubs, there's all kinds of cool things. So this is Bright Young Thing face mask. It's my favorite currently. Anyway, so you get a whole big bag of samples, and then lastly, you're gonna get a bag that is products for my business. And this is a whole another set of full-size product that you can either sell it, you can gift it, you can keep it, do whatever you want. I honestly kept mine because that's how I do. Stripper body mask is in this one. This is Honey Healing Body Cream. This is amazing, and it smells like it's like honey and lemon, kind of a citrusy smell. Oh my gosh, so good. Here, can you smell it? No? Okay. Anyway, love it. You might get a Snarky bar in yours. This one is Faux-pology. I love it. This came out maybe 6 months ago, and it's just a really, I can't even tell you, it's just kind of like a sweet, deep, warm scent, and I love it. A Snarky is like a, if you've never tried a Snarky, it's like a scrub in a bar form, and you should always have one in your shower. They're fantastic. And then we've also got, you get a second hand cream to try. This one is Social Butterfly, and you get a second chunk bar. This one is Where Have You Been All My Life. It's an espresso scent. So good. That'll wake you up in the morning. And then you might get a face wash. This is BFF. This is one of our most popular products ever. It has little exfoliating sugar beads in it, so it's good for the environment. It's also good for your skin, and it'll take off all that dead yucky stuff. And then you might get another face mask. This one is Hot and Gold. So I just wanted to go through all of that stuff for you guys and tell you about what a great deal it is today. I don't know how much longer this is going to be going on, but if you want to join my team, do it. We would love to have you. One of the reasons I joined Posh is I was looking for a sisterhood, and Posh really is that. I have a really great team and a really great upline who everyone is very supportive of one another, and the Posh events that I've been to have been fantastic because I think if you bring that positivity, you'll find the positivity. And I actually, the last event I went to, I saw Stephanie Dexter from high school there. I know my high school friends will remember Stephanie. And that was really exciting. I hadn't seen her in 20 years. And I sat actually with her team at their table because my team, my leader is in California. So anyways, it was just cool to meet new people and then see old friends as well. So I was really looking for that sisterhood with Posh, and I found it. And that was really, really cool. And in addition to that, I think we all need to take a break and a moment for ourselves. And that's what Posh is about too. It's making sure that you're doing well with your mental health and making sure that you're pampered. You know, it's bath bombs and it's hand creams and it's all those things, but it's making sure that we're getting through the day and we're doing okay. So anyways, I just wanted to let you know about this because it's an amazing deal. You get all this stuff that you typically get, plus the rolling suitcase. Who doesn't want the pink suitcase? That's what I'm saying, $99. Anyways, if you think you need to be a part of this, because obviously you do, give me a holler. My website's gettingposhy.com, or send me a direct message and we can talk about it. But this is the time. Even if you're like, I don't want to be a consultant, it's like, do it for the discount. If you love Posh, you automatically get 20% off. That's the starting discount, and then it goes up from there depending on what rank you advance to. But there's really no good reason not to do it. There's no rules like you must sell this much or you must, that it's not a thing. Posh is just, it's about you. It's about making you feel good. This is about getting you a discount and some fun freebies. So anyways, I hope you decide to take the plunge. Holler at me if you have any questions, and my website's gettingposhy.com, and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye.